Okay, so let's assume you have a bed somewhere that's nice and sunny, that's free draining, and you're looking for something that's going to be really compact and beautiful, that has very colorful flowers, that is fragrant, that produces lots of flowers. Well, the list goes on, doesn't it? But look at this lovely little Dianthus, which would fit all of those requirements and more. This is Dianthus Pop Star, part of the Star Double series raised by Wetman Pinks in Devon in England. And this little tight, compact, alpine type of garden pink, as you see, only grows about 6 or 7 inches high, produces lots of buds that pop up out of the silvery blue foliage, and then when they open to this really exquisitely patterned little double flower that's bright pink with a velvety red center or eye to each of the flowers. And also, of course, it gives off a really delicious clove-like fragrance too. So let's think that you could plant these in a sunny, well-drained spot. Well-drained is important, so is the sun. That will keep them growing nice and sturdy and healthy. Once they get established, they are really quite drought tolerant. And the other thing about these Dianthus too is that they really enjoy a soil that's on the sweet side. So if you're growing them, it's not a bad idea to give them a little extra lime each springtime. That will help to bolster their growth, keep them vigorous. And of course, the old thing with lots of perennials like these is just when the flowers are going over, go in with a pair of hedging shears or perhaps scissors or even a knife and just remove the old flowers. That will help to encourage them to produce new growth from deep inside the crown, which will keep on then coming up to produce new flower buds and keep them flowering. This is Dianthus Pop Star, a beautiful, compact growing little garden pink.